What the heck?
Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are.
What's up, sweetheart?
Hello.
Hey.
What you doing?
Hey. Huh?
What you doing?
Stupid water spigot is all jacked up. Like the thread on here won't, it's all jacked up, so I can't put this hose on here.
Yeah?
No, I can't. Dang. If there was only a tool that could rethread it. Hey YouTube fam, Texas Backyard Gardener here, and in this video I'm going to teach y'all how to rethread an outside hose spigot, just like this one. It's all jacked up, so we got to get it fixed. So I'm going to show y'all exactly what tools you're going to need to do this job right. The first thing you're going to need is a Mr. Thread Cleaning tool. The second thing you're going to need is a 3/8 ratchet. Okay, so here we go. So this little tool right here apparently will screw right on here and it will rethread it for us.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens. Here, I'll give you a close-up. See that? Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna see what it does. Let's see what happens.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah, we gotta see if it actually works or not. Oh, is it going on?
Is it working?
Is it going on? Oh, it is going on.
Oh, it is.
Oh, let me bring y'all in closer. This is awesome. Okay. All right, so we gotta make sure it's going to the right to tighten it in. So let's see what happens.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I feel it gripping.
Oh. Yes.
Oh, it's hard. Ah. I hope it doesn't bust.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Oh.
Is it working? Okay, this is a little embarrassing. That proves that our thing's horrible.
Oh.
Dang.
Man, I need to.
Hard?
Let me. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's going. It's doing it. It's just really tight. One thing that I'm really concerned about, though, I don't want to bust the pipe on the inside, though. Oh.
Well.
Oh man. The packaging said easily repair your thing, so this is super simple.
Bruh.
Oh.
Oh wait. So easy, guys.
Oh yeah. All right, I had to move you guys back. See, it's got some wiggle in there, but man. Oh man. Oh. Oh.
That was sweet.
6.5 hours later.
Bruh.
Oh man.
1 eternity later.
The problem is I don't want.
The thing to buzz.
Yeah. If I bust the pipe, then I got a bigger problem. I need something
It's
to kind
more
of.
better if you use this for like a more stable pipe.
Go grab me a screwdriver, love.
Alright.
There should be a screwdriver in my bag. Okay, so is what I'm thinking. I may try to put a screwdriver in there in the side here. That's where it's moving a lot. All right, I'm gonna try to put a screwdriver right in there to kind of brace it.
Right there?
Like in the concrete. Yeah, let me see. Hey, move that over some for me, love. Try to pull it over some. Yeah. Can't get in there. I don't want it in the pipe. Okay, there we go. Let it go. Okay. Yeah, I think that's up in there in the brick. So maybe that'll work.
Yeah.
We'll see.
6 months later.
Is it working? It is working. We need to do it on one. Oh, the screw's getting loose. Okay, I think you're good now.
Yeah, maybe so.
Can't believe we really need a hammer for this. And a screwdriver.
Okay, if all else fails, you just grab a hammer and duct tape. But we don't need duct tape, so we just have a hammer. Or I could karate kick it.
Bruh. Please work.
I
think it might actually work, honestly, guys.
think it's up there good enough.
Yeah.
Hey, watch your eyes. I'm gonna blow it. Cause I gotta close my eyes too. I felt it all go. That is really not a good idea. But
Felt it all go what?
I felt it all like blow up.
Bruh.
Man, that is crazy. All right, let's see if this sucker works. All right.
I really hope this does work.
I'm sure it will. I mean, it started working. I just needed to go up higher.
Yeah. Yay! It's work. Is it working? Is it working?
Oh, did I get it up there? Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see if it leaks. Ayo. All right, and it's that simple. So with just 2 simple tools, you too can repair your outdoor water spigot like a professional. Okay everybody, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till next time, peace. All right.